This question is from GATE 2018 Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 15. Interpolator in a CNC machine. Option A, controls spindle speed. Option B, coordinates axis movements. Option C, operates tool changer. Or option D, commands caned cycle. Let's find out. The part program that is to be fed in a CNC machine, it consists of coordinates of initial and final points of a linear segment and the desired feed rate with which the tool should move forward. This is actually the machining path, and the machining path can be a combination of linear and circular segments. That's why I've written that the coordinates of initial and final points of a linear and circular segment. So it can be either linear or circular or both. And this is that machining path which the tool will follow in order to produce the required shape. And this complete operation is termed as interpolation. And the corresponding software algorithm which gives the flow of this complete process in CNC is called interpolator. This means that interpolator coordinates the axis movements in a CNC machine. It does not control the spindle speed, nor it commands the cane cycle, but it actually coordinates the movements of the axis. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Answer is option B. Interpolator in CNC machine coordinates axis movements. To learn about CNC machines and the process of interpolation in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Lecture 37, CNC Machines and Interpolation. This lecture is from the course Automation in Manufacturing. The course is taught by Dr. Sri Krishna Joshi. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Guwahati. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.